What's up, adventurers and weekend warriors? You don't need to drop a fortune to seriously upgrade your time outside. Some of the smartest, most game-changing pieces of gear cost less than a nice dinner out. Today, I've scoured Amazon to find the absolute best outdoor gadgets you can get for under 100 bucks. These are tools that solve real problems, add real comfort, and pack a huge punch for their price. If you're ready to get more out of every trip without breaking the bank, this list is for you. Let's gear up. Number 10. The Nitecore U25 UL Headlamp. Kicking off our list is a piece of gear every single outdoor person needs: a reliable headlamp. The Nitecore U25 isn't just any headlamp. It's an ultralight masterpiece that redefines value. Weighing just over 1 ounce, it's so light you'll forget you're wearing it. But don't let the weight fool you. It pumps out a blinding 360 lumens on its high setting, has a red light mode to preserve your night vision and not attract bugs, and a pure white flood beam perfect for camp tasks. It charges via USB-C, has a lock mode so it doesn't turn on in your pack, and the battery lasts for days on the medium setting. For under $40, you get professional-grade performance that backpackers swear by. Ditch those heavy, battery-wasting brick headlamps. This is the modern standard. Number 9. The GSI Outdoors Ultralight Java Drip. This is not a bulky French press or a finicky percolator. It's a collapsible silicone cone that sits right on your mug. You add a paper filter or use it as a permanent filter, your ground coffee, and pour hot water. In minutes, you have a perfect, clean, pour-over style coffee that tastes like your favorite cafe, not like burnt camp sludge. It packs flat to the size of a coaster, weighs nothing, and is indestructible. For the coffee snob who refuses to compromise on the trail, this $15 gadget is worth its weight in gold-plated coffee beans. Number 8. Vapur Eclipse 1L Collapsible Water Bottle with Filter. This gadget solves two major outdoor problems: space and water safety. It's a flexible, BPA-free bottle that holds a full liter when full but rolls down to the size of a small candy bar when empty, saving massive space in your pack. The integrated filter is the real hero. It's a replaceable activated carbon filter that removes 99.9% of bacteria, parasites, and chemicals while eliminating bad tastes and odors. You can fill it from a questionable stream and drink confidently immediately. For under $30, you get a space-saving water carrier and a personal purification system in one brilliant, durable package that's perfect for day hikes, travel, or emergency kits. Number 7. The Lixada Portable Solar Shower Bag. This simple, ingenious 5-gallon black PVC bag is a self-contained hot water system. You fill it with water, lay it in the sun for a few hours, and the dark material absorbs solar energy, heating the water to a perfect, comfortable temperature. Then, you hang it from a tree branch or a car door and use its attached hose and shower head for a refreshing rinse. It features an on-off switch for water control and is surprisingly durable. For campers, beachgoers, festival attendees, or anyone who wants to feel human after a day of adventure without a real shower in sight, this $25 bag is an absolute game-changer for morale and comfort. 5. The LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. This compact tube can filter up to 1,000 gallons of contaminated water, removing 99.9999% of waterborne bacteria and parasites. It weighs just 2 ounces and requires no batteries, chemicals, or waiting. You just drink directly through it from a stream or a lake. While it's for personal, immediate use, not for filling bottles, it is the ultimate insurance policy. A wrong turn, a leaky water bladder, or a dry creek bed becomes a minor inconvenience, not a crisis. For under $20, it provides an invaluable layer of safety and confidence on any hike or adventure. Number 4. Fitfort Portable Phone Power Bank. The Fitfort 20,000 mAh model is our pick because it strikes the perfect balance. Its massive capacity can fully charge a smartphone 4 to 5 times, a GoPro dozens of times, or keep a GPS device and headlamp running for a long weekend. It has 2 USB outputs to charge multiple devices, a rugged, pocketable design, and most crucially, it costs less than $30. In the outdoors, your phone is your camera, map, an emergency device. This power bank ensures it never goes dark, making it the silent, essential backbone of any modern adventure kit. Number 3. The Govee Portable Thermometer. This little LCD screen gives you real-time, precise readings of the temperature and humidity inside your tent, your car, or your pack. Why does this matter? Knowing the exact temperature helps you choose the right sleeping bag and clothing layers. Monitoring humidity tells you if your down sleeping bag is at risk of losing loft, or if your gear is drying properly. It's a data nerd's dream that removes the guesswork from staying comfortable. For about $13, it provides information that can directly impact your safety, comfort, and gear longevity. Number 2. The Sea to Summit X Bowl. Made from flexible, food-grade silicone, it collapses completely flat. Seriously, it's about ½ an inch thick. But unfolded, and you have a sturdy, 1-liter bowl perfect for cereal, soup, or rehydrated meals. The model with the lid is a game changer, turning it into a sealable container for leftovers or dry snacks. It's easy to clean, indestructible, and frees up a shocking amount of space in your kitchen kit. For the backpacker, camper, or even tailgater who hates bulky dishes, this is a perfect $10 solution. Number 1. Garmin eTrex 10. And finally, our number 1 outdoor gadget under $100 is the Garmin eTrex 10. This is the ultimate tool for moving beyond the phone. While smartphones are great, they have fragile batteries, fragile screens, and often lose signal. The eTrex 10 is a dedicated, button-operated GPS with a monochrome screen that lasts 25+ hours on 2 AA batteries. It's waterproof, shockproof, and can reliably track your route, mark waypoints, like your car or a great viewpoint, and guide you back with a breadcrumb trail. It works anywhere on the planet, with no cellular service required. For just under $100, it provides a fundamental layer of navigational safety and confidence that allows you to explore further, knowing you can always find your way back. It's the single most empowering piece of safety tech you can own for the price.